Fill the fridge Friday, attempts number 17 and 18. This is just becoming a test of patience at this point. Let's open number 17. Never too late. Here we go. Bread bag. I believe this is new. Yes, it is. Eggplant. Dupe. Dupe. Bottled water. Dupe. Pepperoni. Dupe. Fresh fish. Dupe. Anthony's pretzel dogs. Yep, dupe. So no luck in number 17. Let's hope number 18 is the lucky number. Smack for good luck. Keep forgetting. Here we go. It's the alphabet magnet. Unfortunately, it is also a duplicate. Wait. Let's save that one for last. Oats jar. Dupe. Original thick cut bacon. Sadly, not the bacon I'm looking for, so that's a dupe. Juice from margarita. That's new. Soy sauce. Dupe. Ham chops. Dupe. Okay, this one has me scared. Because okay, so there is 2 legendaries you can get that are you can create them. But there's also one that's a part of the luxury. I'm nervous. Okay, not what I thought. It's the unicorn cake. It is luxury, but sadly not a legendary. The quest continues.